guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making some butter slime. So all you need is some Model Magic. Today I'm going to be using green. And you add this after. Then I'm going to add like one of these like fruit charms. Like this pineapple, cherry, strawberry, watermelon, some like strawberry, an apple too. And I got some green glitter. Today my activator is going to be borax. A half teaspoon to 1 cup of water. So let's get started. Hello everybody, my name is Kaylin and my name is Kailey. We're the Crazy K Kids. Welcome to our channel. So first we're going to add the glue. So all you need to do to make butter slime is add this Model Magic, and these charms and glitter are optional, and there's a bunch of different activators for slime. So this is borax. It's 1 teaspoon of borax, half a teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. And there's many activators like baking soda, contact solution, and Staflo, and laundry detergent. So I think that's about the glue. So the glue came from Walmart, so did the glitter. The charms and Model Magic also came from Walmart. So time to add the glitter. So you want to be careful if you're adding a different color of glitter to a different colored slime, because the glitter can actually change the color of your slime. Might as well just add all. It's St. Patrick's Day slime, but it's so sparkly. So you can dye it, but the Model Magic is dye, kind of. It's like it will color your slime. So like if you want to make black slime, instead of using a ton of food coloring, you can just get black Model Magic. But the thing about butter slime is you have to keep it in a sealed container, or else it will dry out very quickly, and it won't be as good. It'll just be like, sometimes it can, like, if you let a lot of air into it, it will, because this will dry out if you let it sit out for a very long period of time. So like, same thing with this slime. It's going to eventually dry out, so you have to get like a screw-on container. Those work the best because they keep air out a lot. And then here's my slime, kind of. It's underactivated. Gotta add it more. That was a lot. Hopefully I didn't overactivated it. Pretty sure I didn't. So I'm like kneading it with one hand and a spoon, so I have one hand to use the activator. So you can tell that it's kind of stringy right now. You can definitely feel like strings, but that's okay. That's normal for slime to feel like. You just have to mix it all in. See how it's like kind of slime? It's not really. You just gotta keep adding activator. And so Model Magic is very cool. It colors your slime and it makes it butter slime. And if you don't like super loose slime, because the Model Magic makes it a little bit thicker. So if you don't like super loose slime, you can just use Model Magic. And like if you don't like using food coloring, because it's super, because sometimes it can be like very little, can go a long way. So if like you just want a very light Model Magic, you can do that. So I'll come back when this slime is all done. Here's what my slime looks like when it's all done. So this is not the last step. We still have 2 more steps. So the first step is going to be adding in the screen. So it's like already slime, but then it's not slime.
What is Model Magic?
So it's kind of like clay, but it's soft and like kind of like kinetic sand, not really. Kind of like Play-Doh. I don't know really how to describe it. But let's add it in. It's gonna be leprechaun. So I'm gonna insta swirl it so it looks like there's chunks of white and chunks of green. See, it actually, so you don't even need food dye. Look at, so cool. Look at that. And this is going to be using, this is my charm that I'm going to be putting in here, because pineapple tops are green. Look at, it's like a spider web. So if you add Model Magic to clear slime, it's just going to make it like white if you use white slime. But look at that green. Super cool green. It's like, if you want a darker green, you can just add in more food coloring. But Model Magic can color it for you. Here's some zombie slime. The zombies are green. Ooh. Make sure to comment down below what video you want to see next. Should we do a prank video? Should we do another slime video? Just comment down below what video you think we should do next. So it's time for the slime test. Okay, so this is the Insta Swirl test. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to do the click test. Not very clicky. Probably because of the Model Magic. Doesn't make it clicky. Now for the bubble test. Bubble. One piece stuck to my hand now. Move that out of the way. So time to add in the charm. A pineapple. Stick it in. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell so you can get notified every time we post a new video. Bye!